Friends, now I am going to show you how to clear your VRAM, means virtual RAM. In virtual RAM, you can store up to 937 frames, but sometimes we are getting complaint from users that they are unable to capture even 50 frame. They are unable to capture even 50 frame, but this switcher can support 937 frame. Then how is it possible? Yes, it is possible because VRAM memory becomes lower due to your existing clip file or frames. So before recording a long clip, be ensured that your VRAM has enough space. Enough space means VRAM only can record 937 frames. If your VRAM already exists, suppose 200 frames, then you cannot record more than 737 frames. So if you want to clear the existing file from VRAM, then you have to do like that. Go to the still. Here you can see VRAM. Here is your VRAM. Go to the last page, second page. Here is type is still. So you can see lots of only two still files are there. If you go to type clip, then you can see flowers. 3 or 4 files, clip files are there. So these files already occupied your VRAM space from 937 frames. That's why you are unable to capture your lengthy clip, because all total 937 frame in your VRAM. So you can clear from here by selecting this file, delete, execute, done. Selecting, delete, execute, done. Execute, not possible. Why? Execute, done. Done. If you want to remove your clip still file also, then type should be still. You can see there are two still. So selection is there. Execute. Sorry. Done. 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 Why is it not possible to delete these two files? I don't know. There are two files are there, because yes, yes. So in this way you can delete your VRAM existing files.